Welcome to Creative Touch Media, your go-to destination for cutting-edge content creation. Are you passionate about the evolving technology and how you can use it to create content? Do you dream of turning your creativity into a thriving career? Well, you're in the right place. At Creative Touch Media, we're all about empowering you with the knowledge and skills to harness the latest tech trends. It doesn't matter the device you are using, smartphone or PC, our tutorials cover all. Whether you're an aspiring filmmaker, a graphic designer, or a social media enthusiast, we've got you covered. Join us as we dive deep into detailed tutorials on video editing, graphic design, social media strategies. Learn how to create stunning visuals, engage your audience, and monetize your passion. But that's not all. Subscribing to our channel, you'll unlock a treasure trove of benefits. 1. Insider tips. Get exclusive tips on various ways to make money online and how to use various apps, sites, and tools for a successful journey on content creation. Discover how to turn your content into a lucrative income. 3. Community. Connect with like-minded creators and build your network. 4. Inspiration. Fuel your creativity with our amazing content. So hit that subscribe button now. Don't our upcoming videos packed with inspiration, actionable steps, and a dash of fun. Remember, at Creative Touch Media, we believe that technology is your canvas, and creativity is your brush. Let's paint a masterpiece together. Subscribe to Creative Touch Media today and embark on your creative journey.